have you sign a reset, and then we'll see you then. So if he wants to set it for trial, I'm going to waive the appearance so he doesn't have to waste his time. If you want to accept it, then you must be here to do that, okay? But just understand, if you set it, we will go to trial, kicking or screaming. All right? Okay, please. Who else you got?
The next one is Gardner.
Okay,
This is another one we're asking for a short reset on.
why are all the evals at 190 days? It should be done from now on at 140 days, ask for an eval, not at 190 when it's way past time for it to.
So we're still waiting on some discovery.
Then, so next time also at 150 days, if you haven't gotten anything, then come to me so I can put pressure on them to get it. At 190 days, at 180, you need to be ready to accept the plea bargain or we set it for trial. Okay? Sean,
Yes, sir.
what are you waiting on?
Can
What is outstanding?
you go first?
Yes.
No, you said something is discovery is outstanding.
Yes, so the last time I came, we were still waiting on the blood results. I brought it so far as attention that I don't anticipate that we're gonna get any blood results because of something that was stated in the lab. And so she told me she would evaluate the blood results when she's in trial. So just giving her a little bit more time to.
Oh, okay, well, but is there blood or is,
There's a tox report, there's a blood report, Judge.
okay,
A toxicology reported for additional testing.
what is the blood at?
It is.
It's under.
We'll give her a date.
It's anybody's guess as to why or when they'll send up to get tox. Usually it's something where if it's really low, like at a 0.01, 0.02 or 3, I've usually seen them send it out for tox, but on a 0.07, 0.08, many times they just don't. So if they haven't sent it for tox now, it's not going to happen.
Yeah.
So
.02.
at the 0.02, and you haven't sent it out for tox?
Yeah, not that I'm aware of, Judge. It's DPS. I don't know if they have a lab report that came back in April.
Okay, I mean, if you haven't, then I'm not going to wait. We just move forward. So go forward with whatever it is now. Okay, whatever's not in now, it's just not coming in. I mean, we're now. So we need to know what you guys want to do, whether you want to set it for trial, or whether you want to set, we'll do the same thing. We'll set it for 2 days. Come back and let us know. The same thing applies. If we set it, they are going to go. That's the plea bargain deadline in 2 days. Okay? No more now on cases this old, no more waived appearances stuff. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Who's next?
Right, but that's just a bunch of.
I signed it.
Okay, perfect. Mr. Rodriguez.
Roger.
For this is the older case as well. He was on last week, but this is the guy that was in the hospital. He's out now. He's here today. He's gonna come to our office, after court, so then we can get his PTI application.
Does he need bond conditions?
No,
Okay, is discovery complete on Rodriguez?
yes.
Yes.
It's literally just so we can get his PTI application and he's just been in the hospital, so we had to.
Okay, so his case is 170 days old. So we'll give you a week on him. Is he approved or does he need a mitigation packet on Rodriguez?
From our conversation last week, we keep that application.
He would just need an application. He's under the.
Got it.
No.
Okay. So also 1 week, he's got to be back and then we'll send him for a TRAS as well.
That's all.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Hi.
Insurance provided.
Guess it's everybody. Thank you. What time are you going? Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, yes, thanks. Ms. McDonough. Hi. Sure. This is for him, for Gamon.
The email guy does exist on LinkedIn under that.
I didn't hear you say it again.
The email, the guy's name.
Yeah, I'm gonna have Veronica call to verify. You know, one of the things we'd like to do is number one, know how long he's going to be in.
I can answer that. I talked with him yesterday. And I have access to it. I'm on the list of you for call and find out. And
Great.
I understand you want to whatever due diligence you want to do, but the answer's going to be in the insurance.
Yeah, because the problem is that these are great because, yeah, you can, but he can up and go at any time, and that's the problem I have. So we'll never know if he just up and goes.
We've been talking about this for several months. And we've been talking with the social worker as well. And the impetus for him right now is got a child that's very new. We want to make a change. Now's the time.
What do you mean?
Because he's got an issue that he must take care of.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what he-
Well, this is
that's
great.
for months.
I just hope he sticks it and stays. So,
And what's my availability if this needs to why happen more? And there's a lot to it, so.
yeah. So we'll just, if you don't mind, just giving it to Veronica to verify. And then assuming she can verify that he's in there, the only thing I'd like to know is if she can ask, number one, the projected release date. Number two, in the event that he takes off, to notify us so we know that he's left. So, you know, if he discharges, if he leaves prior to that 30-day, to let us know, and then he needs to be here the next business day. If they verify it and he's there, then I'll reinstate the bond.
I'm going to sit with her.
Yeah,
Someone
sure.
else.
So, hey, Veronica, on Mr. Gumon here, he checked into a rehab. Do you mind just verifying, number one, that he's in? Number two, if they can, if he takes off early from the release date that he's supposed to be there, which is 30 days, to let us know. So that, and then he needs to be here the next business day after he's leaves. So regardless of whether he finishes or not, he needs to be here the next business day. Okay? Okay, thanks.
That you know, they call it, they say this, 2 hours prior. We also call January 3rd. Made the call January 6th, 2 hours prior to their call. Then it was still grass. February 13th and February 13th. Yes, absolutely. We didn't contact them yet. They said that we were at the phone. We followed through with my first conversation. They just responded. No, there was no rejection. I'll give us 20 response to others. So you need to report. You guys were willing to get this case.
So I guess there, spoke to both parties, didn't find anybody where found hours.
They come to the neighbors first to get her outside and like. Mr. Aaron was inside of his house, so they get outside.
I didn't okay, don't think I know. From what I understood. Neighbors are on board. He doesn't live with that apartment complex anymore.
Yeah, not really.
But he is.
So that's what they also police, there's a police report, so that we can report it, so I think that's the same. He also calls. The hours prior. It doesn't say on records. It's support applications.
We're gonna go and we get to know what is
Yeah. I'll be fast. Okay, I'll follow them.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, these have to be in our. You can message them and follow it off, say you're on. You know? Okay, tomorrow, tomorrow. Yeah, it's good. Get it right.
Oh,
This is.
Mr. You gonna have to hear.
Very good.
I think generally. Does?
Thank
So
you.
do you want to check the box?
It's not a rush. Oh, really? Yes. Yes. It was. You know.
Are you able to do it or you just want? to-
I'm not, yeah, just, I'm never got it all.
Oh.
Are they put up for? Yeah.
One is so.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's a good way. What's the good fun?
I
Right. Or I get that other. So, right.
The state is supposed to be doing the use of the issue of the zone. So it's just.
And how long was it? Hey, so, sir, is y'all going to two? I don't want Donald Trump about it. I think he said something else. With the end of the year, going to try and get.
They're supposed to move in these old people, doesn't have any history of taxes. We just they get their additional quarter to this case too. He's been charged from things that he himself aware of still. He used to do that. That always. One donate.
The report. Okay. Nobody.
Hi.
Mr. Dorn,
Sure.
so I did talk with the resident of the facility, and so, they said that their independent insurance, yeah, it's gonna be about 30 days, and maybe released soon. Depending on like each treatment.
Sure.
Like,
Can they let us know if he takes off early?
yes. They
Okay,
said
great.
they'll email, the defense attorney, and then she will email them.
They can't let us know?
No, because we're not on the like, list specific.
Okay, well, you're an officer of the court. We'll trust you. So, but I'll let you know that if I find out that he's out and and somehow we don't know, then I'm not gonna reinstate again, just so you know. I'll reinstate now.
And I'm trying to think what I can do.
So if they call you, we need to know immediately that he's out.
They'll email.
Okay, right. So that's what I'm saying. So for now, let's do a 30-day reset for today. And then in the interim, just keep us in the loop.
And I don't know how, because I can call him if I can give
Don't worry about it. Look,
the
just
permission for her to have notice as well, because that does make that.
don't worry about it. Really. I trust you. You're an officer of the court. Don't worry. Look, it's their responsibility to let you know if and when they do, because they're going to, because he has to be released at some point. Just let us know. We'll regroup in 30 days from today. In 30 days, again, we're going to reach out to the facility. If he's gone, then we know he hasn't been forthcoming with us. And then at that point, we'll revoke and raise. So right now, I'll reinstate. What's the cause number again? Real quick. It's on the front page.
255.
Okay.
7267.
7267. Did you get it, Diana?
Yeah.
Okay, so on Gamon, reinstate. And then he checked in on the 10th, right? So let's do 6/10. Let's make sure that's that day. Yeah, that's a Wednesday. So we'll reset to 6/10. Appearance required. Okay, I think we're good. Thanks, Ms. McDonough. Okay, thanks, Brian.
It's Katie Day and it's his turn. It's probably Billy, who's sitting with him on Billy's bar. Sitting with her, but the cast, and the female, it's no, I had another meeting. Yeah, I think it's first, she's not Billy and. Now, you get the community like. What was it? No, we could do that. What kind of weird things are it? That you don't know, maybe that car, things like. How long was she doing? Was she?
So I spent the on regular on it. He's
Grayson are trying, I'm sorry, I ended up not trying. I was crazy. There's a guy who crashed into the back. It was a neighbor's home. They call the police. 10 minutes. So this one, Jerry made it already. 2-5. You respect my. Yeah. So, yeah. Engaged. Well, that is it.
Okay, it's still one. Nope. Nope. I think,
Really?
Source code, yes, and source code. Course three, course four.
Okay, so.
Yes, where there. There. Yes, it is for my way up. So it's probably got a more. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I was long. Yeah. People sell the dress, you go. That's where information to programmer say about the coding machine. But that's what it's called. That's just. Ultimately, it's code stuff. Maybe the other sheet is so. Get it like there. Yes. For your rates. Getting good, it's one thing.
And we can probably line up yesterday.
Yes, ma'am. But what's the grade? Won't get you to what you want young people to see over.
Well, we want to begin to, balance, right? And yeah. Make an application.
Yes, ma'am, thank you. Wait. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is this a true first?
Let me double check, Judge. Not found. Yes, Judge, it is.
So is a PTI gone wrong? Is that what it
Yes,
was?
sir, you are.
That's right. Okay, Mr. Chavez, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you have done. You need to understand, sir, that this charge will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. You can never take it off. What we're doing today, it is now a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. Do you understand?
You can't get it. Newspaper.
You pick up another DWI, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail. Do you understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. You understand? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? I'm going to find you guilty, follow you follow this agreement, send you to it. I am going to suspend your license for 180 days. Do not drive until you get a license. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
And then I've waived the fees.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You got it. Thank you, Mr. Dean.
Yes, sir.
Collections office on the first floor.
Okay.
I didn't.
Yeah.
Hi, have a great day.
First floor, please. All right, it's amazing.
Thank you. Morning, Joe.
Hey, morning. Pretty good. You?
Well, fine.
Hey, I'm live streaming, just so you know.
That's wrong.
You're looking good.
You too. Okay. I think first one, what I would do is you can talk about all here. I have to take your first. Student making course. Yeah.
Hey, hi. What's up? Reese?
We approve?
Yes.
Thank you, Chad.
Is it?
Thank you so much. Good morning, ladies.
Hi, what's up?
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Taylor Swift. Taylor, I'm sorry, Meg Adams.
That's what
I'm sorry. I follow that
Nice
so
to
much.
meet you.
Judge. So just because our group is large, we're dividing them.
Today?
So,
You have-
tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow.
Yeah, so
Oh,
Taylor is gonna be helping me tomorrow. So I just wanted her to be
Sure, of
familiar with the
course.
judges.
Okay.
So we just met, she was introduced to Judge Ramirez, and then now I wanted to introduce her to you.
yeah.
So Judge, will you be trial tomorrow? Okay.
We were expected to, and then it just kind of fell through. So,
Okay.
no,
Okay. No worries.
we'll just be
So-
doing arraignments.
Okay, that's good, Judge. Okay, so, I'll just kind of look around and see if another, because some of them are too young to be in
You
a
know,
felony.
I know that I was just talking to a judge today.
Okay.
Oh, wait, you said they're too young to be in felony
That,
court?
now, I do need a felony court. Some of the groups are 10th grade and 12th.
And,
Give me-
and most of the group are ninth grade, so that's why I'm taking them to misdemeanor court. And then, yeah, hoping that they can see a misdemeanor trial.
I'll send a message to see who's in trial for
Okay.
tomorrow.
Okay.
And then I know that I spoke to Judge Bell and I think she's in the 185th.
And that.
She should be in trial in a murder case. I don't know
Okay,
if
so that's okay for my 10, 11, and 12, but not my ninth grade.
Okay, let me put a feeler out to see who's in trial for tomorrow and then
And
I can let you know
Okay, Judge. I
if
appreciate it.
someone's in.
Right, if,
Yeah.
okay, Judge, we
Okay.
appreciate it, so
Yes.
Swift, Miss McAdams is not as vocal as I am, she's sitting there, so, but yeah.
No one
Judge.
is spoken. You are.
Okay?
Don't be afraid. Really. It's, we're all
But anyway, Judge, she's gonna
Following
be
in
helping
great
me out.
schools.
I'm so happy.
So quiet.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes,
Going
absolutely.
Tomorrow.
Yes,
And
and then
hopefully you or Miss Victoria, if you don't mind, she usually communicates with me too, so if you
I'll
give
let her
her a
know.
message, yes,
Yep,
sir.
I'll
She'll
send a
it
message
to me.
right now.
Okay, good. Thank you so much. Wait, you can be excused.
Yes, of
Thank you.
course. See you guys
Enjoy the
tomorrow.
rest of your day. Okay. Bye, Carmen. Thank you, ladies. Good morning.
So we have a chief that was there, and she is 6 and now we get that replaced in fact in the problem. That was that is going to it's not my case, I mean, it's really.
Okay, counsel.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
How you doing?
What's up?
Your Honor, from Mr. Jefferson Rosales.
Okay.
Should appearance waived.
Rosales.
He's got 2 cases pending.
Okay,
I did speak with the state. The PTI offer was made, essentially, 2 hour management, quick decision making. 8 hours community service.
great. We'll give you 2 weeks.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
See that now, I just see them call him.
Let him know he's got to be done in 2 weeks. If he doesn't have it done, he's got to be here.
Yes, sir.
And then I'm gonna roll him day for day until he gets it done. Let him know.
Understood.
Okay, have fun.
Anytime.
Mr. Hack, ready?
Hey, good morning, Jimmy.
Hey, good morning.
Approaching on Mr. Oro.
Okay.
Oro.
Jail or bond?
Bond.
Okay, what's the word?
Judge, so I wanted to ask if we can move this case to, after July 15th. I know it's a ways out. So because of this case, her license was suspended for a period of 90 days, which is up on.
Because of
July
which
4th.
case? He said because of this case, it was suspended.
The driving without a license, insurance.
We didn't suspend it.
No, not the court, DPS.
Because of this case?
That's, yes.
It's still open.
Well,
It's got to be something else. Can you pull up, you're just driving right now?
So I'm showing that there was a suspension from April 16th, 2026 to July 14th, 2026.
I have that same, and it does say DWLI. That's the reason.
From where? Does it tell you where? They're not going to suspend on a DWLI unless there's some kind of plea, an open case, they can't suspend it. I mean, she must have gotten a DWLI elsewhere and maybe a ticket or something like that and led to it.
There's no.
That's really weird. It's got to be something else. I don't know.
So yeah, that's all the information. I don't know if there's any case.
So the thing is this, is that I'm happy to give you more time, but I want to know that everything's done by that time. So
Sure.
typically they'll need a reinstatement fee that's paid. They're going to need probably, so what I'd like, I'm with you, but I want to make sure that it gets done. I don't want to get to July 15th and, oh, now we need to do something else. So what I'd like to do is this. So let's reset it a week. I want her to contact DPS. I'll give you the phone number to reach out. Aside from waiting until July 15th, what else do I proactively have to do to make sure that my license gets reinstated? Because she may need an SR 62 or whatnot. They may need insurance, they may need a reinstatement fee. So there's multiple things that she's gonna need, just
Yes,
aside from waiting for,
I'm pretty sure that she's aware of what all she needs to do. She sent me the certificate.
Is she here
that
now?
Completed I'm sorry,
is she here now?
she's not.
Okay,
So she sent me the certificate that she completed the driver education course.
okay.
And then she's also made an appointment for her actual driving test, which I have approved on July 15th.
Here's the number to DPS.
Yes, sir.
I'll set you off 2 weeks.
Okay.
I want her, please, to contact DPS between that time. Tell her to call at 7 in the morning. Don't call at 9. Don't call at 10. You'll never get through. As soon as the phone line's open at 7 is when she needs a call. Call them and ask, hey, aside from this, is there anything else am I gonna need? Am I gonna need an SR 22? Am I gonna need some other SR? Am I gonna need to pay the reinstatement fee? So that when we hit July 15 and she does those things, once she gets that paper license, they'll,
Excuse me. Show you why. Is it starting? Yeah, that's been again. She doesn't hear it. She's like, yeah,
how long she expired?
so 2023, she didn't renew.
Yeah. So when your license is expired more than 2 years, you have to retest on everything.
Was it mandatory? Oh, it's still mandatory.
She's been suing, you've been doing so many ODLs, she knows DPS.
No, she has a permanent suspension.
Is that the April through the July? Yeah, so that would.
This one is a new one, okay?
Do you see another DWI, Ramona?
So it's not that she got that. Okay. She got that. It was mandatory. That was another mandatory. That one we did to enter the 25th. No. Then now they move it. Oh, her appeal. And, okay, she appeared. She's expired. That's why she don't apply for that.
And then this one.
And then at the permanent suspension won't live until July. So I don't know. What you want first do?
Well, that's what I'm saying. You need to call DPS because they'll give you the right information. But I want to be proactive. I don't want to wait just till July 15th. So let's set it 2 weeks, have her call DPS in the interim, call at 7 a.m. Like 6:59 is when she needs to get on the phone and start calling over there. So she gets through, ask them what she needs to do aside from just a driving test. And then when can she take it? Does she need to make the appointment now?
Right. And if you log into the other one, it'll okay, so all of this is gonna clear, but it'll tell you.
On the eligibility,
Yes,
okay.
it'll tell you exactly what she needs to do,
okay.
in addition to calling. I mean, she can call too, but the main thing is.
I have better luck
She
calling.
didn't renew.
Just,
Thank you for breaking that down.
yeah.
Judge,
So 2 weeks, got to be here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood. Thank
And
you.
then just let us know.
Yes, sir.
Good luck. What's up? Good job. I know it's got.
I didn't know if you could hear me. No. I didn't know if the speaker was on.
No, I don't think it might be on.
And
We
I can
haven't-
hear you going, oh, I wanna know. It sounds like we're just gonna go there.
Mr. Kim,
It's only because Bill's already on the Zoom. I was
Oh,
gonna ask
hold
for a
on.
little bit more time.
okay, yeah, he's logging in now. All right. What is, did we get, do you know if we got Mr. Patel?
So I did learn that it's actually 1 count of embezzlement and 8 counts of PCS, so the sheriff's office reversed it, but.
Can you hear us?
I
Phil?
can, yes, Judge. Yes,
Phil?
sir. I can hear you.
I
Yes,
need
thank you.
a little bit more time. I finally got a hold of the actual ADA on the case. I'm waiting for a text message from him because he wants to look up something real quick. when you mentioned about the supervision. And so if you can give me a little time, it's either gonna be good news or potentially upsetting news. I don't know yet.
Well, meanwhile, Judge, if we could just get him a bond, he can get to Tennessee and address this. His wife is in the courtroom now. They can have a ticket for him tomorrow to be in Chattanooga.
Right, I'm saying if I get the text message and it's good, it's gonna be irrelevant.
Right, but meanwhile, he's sitting in jail.
I mean,
No, he's saying he's going to dismiss the case, Philip.
I'm
Oh,
saying,
dismiss the case that's in Tennessee?
The fugitive case.
yes.
Sure, but is it going to take longer than it would take to pay the bond? Because the family can pay the bond in full and get their money back when the fugitive case is dismissed either way.
It's gonna be today, it's gonna be this morning, I just don't know.
When he says this, I'm assuming maybe like an hour or two.
Okay.
you know,
Oh, okay. Very good.
Before the end of docket.
I mean,
Got it.
yeah.
Guys, did you get Mr. Patel back there? You got him?
So just give me a little time, and I say this to other cases, like, obviously, if they wanna pay the bond, we can pay the bond, but then they're just wasting money if I dismiss the case, right? They're spending money unnecessarily, so if they wanna do it, that's their freedom to do so, but it's just wasting money. So,
And Judge, if I could propose a middle ground, I mean, if it's just an hour or so, it's fine. But if it takes any longer, if we could do like a $10,000 bond or something, the family can go and pay the $10,000 bond. They'll get their $10,000 back, however long it takes the jail to give it back to them.
Yeah, let's give him at least an hour.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just
I'll log back in an hour.
hold on. I think I have your number. Let me see. Because
Yeah, you
I'll
should.
reach out to you.
And Day's got it too.
Yeah, I got your the 1587, right?
Yes, sir. That's the one.
Okay, I'll reach out to you as soon as I hear from Day. If by 11:30 I don't hear anything, at that point we can regroup.
Okay, that sounds great. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
thanks, Phil.
All right. Thanks. Phil.
Thanks, Day. Thank you, Judge.
Take care.
You too.
Hi, Doug.
Good morning.
What's up, man? Happy Tuesday.
Mamo, MAMO on the top.
Okay.
Just a standard blood discovery for in your.
Got it.
That's it.
I'll sign it.
Thank you.
Have a great Tuesday.
All right, you too.
Have fun.
Good to see you.
You too.
Everybody's happy today. I love it. We just bottle this thing up.
Anytime you're above ground, my friend.
Yeah, that's true. Good luck. That's the gentleman with the. Make a little weird. Didn't say that never wrong. A preschool. Jesus. What do they take colors? First one, the board. No, it is not. Yeah. Oh, we have two different things.
I saw it.
See, I was little, yeah, that was the, so you know what it's, they are terrible, terrible. And I hated it, so you, it's still quite, that's how I think it was, that good for you, I don't need. That's another. I can't find any, I can't. Okay, certainly, and so everyone, my name, the middle of I just, I'm like, I can't be his own person, you know? Can I, he's actually, I think you got. Yeah, the other one is one inside. Yeah, I agree with it. Yeah, so I see your point. Yeah. Which one? There's. Miller inspired. See this letter stuff. Okay. It is.
Yeah, it's all, you know, on, it's sort of an on, also it's spread extreme. I don't see they may do it yet, but I assume there's one company slide that's in the my big question is, if we the energy is just. Yeah, so once I see that MBJ. Hello. Okay. Achievements. Like that. That would be a problem.
Oh, right, sorry. I always forget.
No, yeah, we will be there and those ones that show us
That's my problem. I think, I mean, the one who gives, all the way.
Hey, have you guys spoken to Anna? She's still coming? Miss Edie? Is Anna still coming? Is Anna still coming today?
Supposed to. She's not coming. Saw her in the hall.
Do you think she wants it on the record?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think. That way, if UPS is just bigger, she gets out the record. Yes, you
Jordan.
I don't understand. Oh, actually.
It's right now, three lights. Yes, you're right now. No.
You have to get the. What happened, the order that. What's going on? It's like a mall. No. It would be.
I mean, he's having conversations over this first. But. And then the other one's. You start under those.
Well, I think maybe the issues.
Like, I'm very confident. That's weird. I'm not booked over yet.
So you make, okay, I mean.
That's what it's. You have to bail it over, it's not standard, but it's.
Yeah, I think, well, I get started, yeah, you made it, really done. I mean, how it was the show, you was scared, like, because they filed that view, I mean, couldn't be completed, like I said, I know. Okay. That was actually.
Oh,
So.
Did someone else?
Yes, sir. We have a plea on, Jovan Jordan.
Okay. Thanks. Mr. Jordan, come up. First, this. All right, good morning, Mr. Jordan. So you're charged with resisting arrest. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 6 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you've done. This charge will go on your record. It will be there forever, Mr. Jordan. You need to understand that as a result, you will now be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail if you pick up another Class A misdemeanor. Do you understand? As part of this plea bargain agreement, ma'am, just take a seat, please. You just take a seat for me. Let's finish this and then. As part of this plea bargain agreement, your criminal trespass will be dismissed, I'm assuming, right?
Yes, sir.
Is this how you understand the agreement? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers, charge at the open court. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. This is final today. You can never change this or undo this. Do you understand? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of resisting arrest, sir?
Guilty or not guilty? Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement, sentence you to it. Good luck, Mr. Jordan.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks. You too. Take care.
So this way.
Mark.
Oranges.
Hey,
You're talking about Mr.
Andrade. Ach, du lieber Augustin. What are we going to do?
So he's been compliant. These allegations technically are from before.
I know,
So,
but how on earth are you going to do it?
I mean, he either has to post a bond or maybe like John had suggested that if he doesn't bond out, that once his 12 months is up, maybe you could unsat term him because we can't early terminate a DWI, deferred adjudication.
What do you think? How do we go forward?
I mean, he's likely going to be in custody
For
for all these cases. I mean, these cases are gonna take a long time to work out.
Yeah.
So they're not gonna be done in 2 months. I expect him to be in custody, unless they reduce the bond and he bonds out, in which case he can keep going. But if he stays in custody, if he violates.
Do you know if he's planning on bonding out?
I'm about to go ask him, Your Honor.
I guess figure that out.
Yes, sir.
We'll hold it for some time and just figure out, see if he's going to get out at some point. If he doesn't, then yeah, those are high bonds and he's been in custody now for what, 2 months at least, right?
Yeah, he's already got a new court date in June.
And I'm assuming that nothing quick is going to, like you said, right? Things are going to last for.
183rd, Lance Long, Judge Lance Long, so I don't think.
Is he pretty,
He's one of the appointed judges, and so he's gonna be.
Is he
tough
pretty
on
fit?
bonds.
oh, well, I mean, is he efficient?
Oh, he's very efficient, but these cases, I mean, we have, because I was in the Crimes Against Children Division, there's such a backlog that the prosecutor is gonna be trying cases from a couple of years ago before these are gonna get tried.
Wow.
So it's gonna take,
Okay.
it's not gonna be 2 months.
Yeah, from my experience at the PD, anytime there was these kind of cases, it would take like 2 years. But like, and that's like fast tracked, right? Like,
Mhm.
so.
So I think he's on hold for his probation while he's in custody. Whatever violation he picks up, the court can always unsat term him.
Yeah,
Once
I
it gets
guess.
to 12 months, but.
And I'll see if he is gonna bond out, but I mean, if he hasn't bonded out, I don't think he's
Right.
going to.
I guess just let me know. I'm at really at your mercy, Martin. I don't know how long you want to reset it or whatnot.
I'll reset it for a month and then.
At that point, if he's still in, then let's just, yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, all right.
May I be excused?
Thanks. Yes, sir.
Martin, can you next court date?
Hey.
Judge, is Bill still on Zoom?
No, you want me to call him?
All right.
No, give me a second. I'll call. Are you gonna?
I just need to, yeah.
All right, hold on, hold on.
Hey, gentlemen, we got all everybody here.
They might work this early. Happy birthday. I don't, I think the only other.
I just texted him. It went straight to voicemail, so
I mean, I emailed him as well, so I thought he'd be on, but.
no. I mean,
Yeah, but it's just. Okay. So
That means it's technically already being. It'll be full rest. No, I swear.
hey, I was thinking,
No, I mean, I think that's what we're telling them to do. But once they're arranged.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, lost it. It's essentially not swearing, well, but I mean, but treated the same.
just move for a DV or something.
Well, so.
Right?
Judge, I don't know if technically we need to swear a witness because that's when jeopardy attaches in a bench trial. But I don't know if that's to be preceded by the arraignment and the judgment.
I don't think so.
Well, but if the verdict is gonna be like 30 seconds after you start, it's.
Right, we would just, just go,
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have any opening? No, we'll waive
I
it.
mean, I read the information, I have to arraign them.
Sure.
Plead not guilty or she'll plead not guilty, and then.
The rest.
You can move for direct verdict or not.
Okay.
Yeah.
That'll be it.
Is your client here?
Yeah, I told her 10:30, Judge. She should be
Okay.
ready.
Okay.
Or not.
The reason's pretty easy though.
I know, but it just says.
Yeah.
Okay, I just,
Call your lawyer. We're trying to get a hold of him. I called him. I couldn't get a hold of him. Call your lawyer. We're waiting for him.
no, but I'm just saying, you've probably seen this more than we have.
Yeah. I mean, also, like, I'm not gonna appeal it. So even if there was some kind of strange jeopardy.
I'm a worrier and. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so
Yeah.
To be fair, I can think of 6 scenarios where. That's my job is thinking of. most-
yeah, that's.
Like, and find a way to best for, but definitely.
Sure you can, but
That's all I do.
stop.
My bad.
Yeah, I wanted to think, come on,
Sure. Oh, dear.
You're right. 11.
Oh, that's what time?
Well, I hope Amy did a jury yesterday.
Oh, okay. I thought it was Michael family we had.
No,
It's fine. Is anything going on? What's that?
He does occasionally at shots that he was.
No. No, that's true. Very tired. Yeah.
Really gotta make an officer upset. Usually I use the total articulate that. That's how I like it's just. As you talk, Conrad, like Conrad, Jacob, so.
I would like to assume there was like that.
I mean, well, it's a piece of art. You have to go out and don't satisfied. I go, yeah, that was yesterday. All that stuff. For other prosecution. So usually that's. Yeah, no, I think it was. I think he had said. He had a jury trial set. Yeah. Yeah, I do that. Yes. Okay. Which one? 2022. So. Yeah, okay. Next for us. So, this list. Okay. It's good to see you. Good to see you. Good morning. You're all your business. Sorry. Plugged in. What's up, bro? One time. It's okay. What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. I like your suit. This is a good suit. Yeah. You always. Yeah. All right. It's all your fault. Yeah, it's like your load. Make sure I'll be. Oh, yes, I think he was, so it's somebody. Yeah, so you have.
Good morning, girl.
Hey, please, always.
Fugitive dates. Last name dates. On the fugitive drugs.
We'll look at it and let you know.
Something administrative is happening.
So she has a few fugitive cases there. The Alabama was easy because the waiver was already signed, it's reset for pickup, no problem. There's a second fugitive case, which I learned, we confirmed this morning was from Mississippi, but it's still in processing, and they didn't catch, the sheriff's office didn't catch it until I pointed it out. So they're now, they're doing it as of 45 minutes ago. And so I don't know if it's gonna be in the next hour or next 24 hours, because obviously it takes time, they have to confirm with.
You mean to get the waiver or what?
No, to assemble the packet. So they had the initial hit, so whenever someone gets arrested, they have to confirm the hit. And they confirmed Alabama, but nobody ever confirmed Mississippi. And my guess is because they already got the confirmation for Alabama and he wasn't gonna be, or she wasn't gonna be released, nobody looked into Mississippi.
But that shouldn't impact the time for Alabama to come get
For
her.
Alabama, no, but Mississippi hasn't started, because technically she isn't booked in yet.
And she hasn't signed a waiver yet, even though she really wants to.
Because she can't sign a waiver, right? Because the waiver doesn't attach to a packet that hasn't been
So-
filed. So it's, hopefully it's this morning, but I truly can't say whether it's gonna take the day because. they
Well,
have to
so
get from-
which is the more serious case? Which one wants
I
her
don't know.
more?
There's nothing on the Mississippi. It could be a DWI, it could be murder.
get
I
no
have
clue.
no idea. I have literally, I just know it's Mississippi and they're confirming the hit. That
Which
is
is
all.
Which is too bad because, I mean.
So do you want to just hold it until later today or do you want to roll
Well,
it
that's
till
the thing,
tomorrow?
because if it's within the next hour, obviously I can go ahead and sort out the waiver, but I can't even type it out because I don't know what the charge is.
Okay, well, I guess let's just, we're in a holding pattern and
Rolls it tomorrow.
So,
at the latest, we roll it to tomorrow.
Right. Because now they caught her. So yesterday, quite frankly, I thought, yesterday, I thought they would confirm it and then, or catch it and then update it today. And then obviously this morning I checked and they didn't, which is why it prompted me to email, so.
That's fine, I just, there's no way that she can
Tell your client, sorry.
sign a waiver today for something that doesn't exist yet.
Is she even here? Do we even have her?
Yeah.
She is, but she can't, I mean,
She came up yesterday too, what did she arrest even?
the original arrest was the 7th, but again, like everything else, the processing, because typically for investigating hold, they have up till 3 days legally. But that didn't even come into play because she's legally held in Alabama, so it could have been all the way up until the end. They didn't check because she's legally held on the Alabama warrant.
Luckily you found it, huh? Now,
I mean,
So we roll.
she could have been worse.
Right, I'll let her know.
Okay, I guess roll to tomorrow for now, unless you get something in
If I
the
find it
in-between.
this afternoon, I will immediately send it to you.
So if she.
No, but regardless though, I
She have
mean,
to sign the waiver.
she got to sign
And
it.
then file it with her.
Well, the clock would start today, and this is even assuming that Mississippi would come pick her up before Alabama, because typically it's whomever signs it first, or if it's a more egregious offense. Obviously, if it's a murder, they don't pick her up first.
But
Yeah,
even if it came through today, we wouldn't really be able to have a signed waiver until tomorrow. So.
Well,
Unless there's something I don't know.
no, they don't have to get mag. Judge can do it, it's just typically they get mag first.
no, but she's talking about signing the actual waiver.
Oh, well, I mean, if it's this afternoon and submitted before, I'm just making up the time at 3 p.m., I mean,
So I would have to go to jail,
yes.
book under.
Well, assuming that
Yes.
that holds.
We
but
can, I mean,
It's a maybe.
however you guys you want to.
It'll be tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'll let her know.
Okay, all right.
Thanks,
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?
I have a miscellaneous.
When?
We just last night at 7:30.
Is she here?
She's not.
That's the problem.
Well, that's all I want to run you. So it's criminal trespass. State's just asking for no contact.
No, but I have to arraign her. I gotta like at least one time.
So she had a mental breakdown. She's pregnant. She had a mental breakdown. Like, went to jail. So her mom, she's from California.
To what?
She's from California. She was living with her visitor. She lived in Florida. She was living with him. She had a breakup. She was in a hotel for a couple days. Goes back to the house with her stuff. She goes to jail. It's that like. And then she had like a mental breakdown. Mom was concerned for her safety, so. Threw her back to California. So. If we could just do like 2 weeks, 3 seconds.
No, I can't give her preferential treatment. I mean, I have to treat her just like every other person. I'm willing to give you a day or two, but she's got to be arraigned.
She's like, book a flight. She had to book a flight.
How do I even know that she's in California? I mean-
I spoke with mom. She's living with mom.
Are we supposed to take what they just say for,
I understand.
you know?
Mom.
They get a court order telling them to be here at a certain day, at a certain time. I'm willing to give you until Monday. If she's not here on Monday, I'm gonna revoke the bondo.
Okay.
We usually never give more than 2 at the mid,
I
3 days, but
I totally understand.
Yeah.
Again, this is a situation that came our way our last time.
okay, so we'll SFBF Monday. She's got to be here at that time. If she's not here, let her know. It's gonna be a whole hell of a lot worse because if I issue a warrant, if she gets picked up in California, she's gonna sit in custody for, okay? Okay, man.
Thanks, Judge.
Hi, Judge.
Hey, hi, Herman. Yeah, come on up.
It's not on the docket, but I talked to John since it's coming out.
Okay.
I give you the cause number.
Please.
261
Okay,
2996, and he has a companion MAJ. We've talked, we've done the rep, he has PTSD, he's a veteran. We provided that documentation from the first case. We are seeing if you allow him to stay on with an extension.
great state of Texas.
So
What
Judge,
say you?
there's 3 issues on the MAJ. 2 of them are related to the harassment charge. The other one, there's a lot of positive marijuana tests. The harassment, from my understanding, is the defendant had shown up to our complainant's house, was threatening her, was asking for his gun back. It sounded like the complainant had the gun, and Herman, correct me if I'm wrong in anything. But, and at some point.
I vaguely remember, right?
This argument, the defendant had jumped on the complainant, didn't cause her any pain, which is why it's not an assault, but was yelling at her, standing over her. And then, I think there was a second time he had shown up to the house and had like grabbed her.
They're married, it's just no, and it's they're.
Yeah, but this isn't the common law where someone's
No,
a piece
they're
of chattel,
married.
man.
They're married, they got filed for divorce.
Okay.
And so our complainant essentially, I mean, when we spoke to her, she confirmed the events and she essentially just wants him to get help with his mental health issues. So all of that is to say that if we amend his conditions on the deferred adjudication to include, I don't know if he needs to be TRAS first. to see
No,
if
that's
there's any recommendation.
absolutely, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I would 100%. And I would venture a guess probably BIP is a,
I think it's already on there, he's already doing that for.
Probably with an assault family member.
Oh, yes, 261, sorry. 261, 299.
the impeding breath that was dismissed last year.
That's the underlying case here.
It was refiled into our assault. He
Yes.
pled guilty, was on probation for.
And now there's a.
My
This might
concern
help you.
also, Herman, is that he tests negative. So I want him to stop using.
Even if he has a compassionate use.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, there are other ways that you can cope or find ways to without having to use marijuana. So that's something that else.
I don't know when's the last time he's tested positive, but because that wasn't, I think these marijuana allegations.
Well, I mean, I gotta venture, I guess I've ordered him not to use and I hope
No,
that.
yes, no, I'm just addressing the MAJ.
There was also a positive methamphetamine test.
But he's prescribed medication that would test positive for the safety. He has a lot of issues from his.
No. You'll test positive for amphetamine, not methamphetamine.
I think there's overlapping in certain
He
drugs.
tested positive for methamphetamine on July 25th, 2024, and then August 27th, 2024, it was only amphetamine tested. So that one was a true positive, and then after that, it's a prescription medication.
So let's do this. Let's set him up for a TRAS now.
Okay,
And
he's
then
not here, but I'll,
So set him for next week,
okay.
have him come, we'll do a TRAS and then we'll go from there.
And then another good thing, there is now, I think, a 2 or 3 year protective order that she obtained in.
Through the domestic violence court?
Yes,
It's a 10-year protected.
10 years. That's
No,
even better.
wow.
Yeah. Yeah, so that,
Hey, I saw Lifetime not too long ago. They were getting lifetime protective
Yeah,
orders, so,
so that, takes care of
Yeah.
any issues with that. for
Sure.
that.
okay.
Okay,
So pick a day next week, have him
Sure.
come and then we'll do a TRAS. Okay. Mr. Kim, can I talk to you real quick? Philip, you ready?
I'm ready, Judge.
Hey, so good news, they're gonna get dismissed in Tennessee. I am going to wait for it to come in, but the reason why I wanted to approach. If he has a defense attorney up there, I'd really check in, because I think there was a misunderstanding that led to this charge. Then that's pretty much where I'm gonna leave it at. So I just recommend speaking with whomever he spoke with up there. But as it pertains.
Yeah, he
to
called
speaking-
me about,
Well,
When are you
Yeah,
gonna
perfect.
dismiss this fugitive case?
whenever I get whenever I get the written release from the ADA. So he's gonna email it to me, and once I have it, I'll send it over to our sheriff.
I can sign it, Philip, until 3 o'clock. I'm around, so he's got my cell phone. But, just loop him in if you're gonna text me so we're all together.
It's just gonna take a little bit of time because it's 9 charges, so it's gonna be a minute. He's processing them right now, but I have to forward them all to the sheriff's office, our sheriff's office, and then that'll process the release. So it's gonna be today. It's gonna be this morning. I just don't, or afternoon, but I just don't know how early.
okay. Thank you very much for your diligent work today. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Do you want me to
Thank
set a
you,
bond
Judge.
or no?
Well, I don't know. It sounds like it's a matter of difference of hours, and I don't know if it gets confusing. I don't want to
Well, like I
confuse the
said, I can
jail if
sign it
they're like
until
processing him out on a bond and then it's
3:30-ish.
dismissed.
Right. Because even assuming that that's not true, then even if there is a bond, then you have to have conditions for the self-surrender. So it opens up a different can of worms.
Yeah, my concern with setting a bond would be that he gets into like one line and he's supposed to be in the other line, and then
Yep.
it causes confusion at the jail and it actually takes longer. So
Yep.
I think as long as Dave's being diligent, which I have no reason to believe that he's not, and same with the prosecutor in
No,
Tennessee, then
Dave's the best man.
he's on it. Yeah.
We've had trials together.
Yes, I think that we're on good footing. So I appreciate everybody's work and accommodation.
Okay, you've got the family here too. You want me to just let them know that they're gonna
Yes.
get, the case will be
Yeah, I think they
dismissed
can.
here some point today, and then he'll be released. Okay? Okay, guys.
All right.
Okay.
Thank
All
you,
right,
everyone.
Philip.
Bye.
Thanks.
See you next time.
All right,
Can we approach Judge?
please.
Ms. Taylor is here, so whenever you're ready, I know you have a little.
Okay, let me get them done and then we'll do it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay. Hi, Joseph. How are you, man? What's up?
I have a case on the docket.
Okay.
Julio Lopez.
Okay.
On him, we're applying for a PTI.
I have here that you guys since March have been applying.
We haven't received the items from my client yet.
So I'm gonna set him for Monday, let him know he's gotta be here Monday. And then if he doesn't have it turned into you Monday, let him know I'm gonna roll him to Tuesday. And then I'm gonna roll him to Wednesday and Thursday and Friday until he gets it to you.
All right.
Who's next?
My other one is Mr. Alain.
What, just starts with an A?
Yes, ALL.
I see it, okay, oof.
They just.
It's an old case, Judge.
Sheriff Holmes discovered.
In all case, Judge, I had to re-request it through our admin and he got it back. So I just released it.
Do you have everything now?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 30 days. At that time, it's clear trial. Okay? And then the defendant must be here. He must, at the next setting, accept the plea bargain agreement, or we're gonna set up a trial. I don't know if they're gonna, are you at 2,635 days, is PTI an option?
He would be it too, that we're talking about.
So if that's something that you are interested in, Joseph, it needs to be done before the next setting.
We'll review everything.
Okay, okay.
Thanks, Judge. Thank you. Judge, Matt.
Hi, Mr. Clay. Good morning.
I'm here on ethical wages.
Okay,
And state not have worked out a PTI offer, he's going to do anchor management, 20 hours community service, and no contact with the employee witness.
okay, we'll give you 3 weeks. It's got to have it done. If it's not done within 3 weeks, let him know I'm rolling it day for day. The case is 220 days old. That's,
Understood.
it's got to be done, or let him know he's going to trial.
You bet, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You got it. Thank you.
Judge.
Hi.
Mr. Strong.
Okay,
I talked to Sean this morning, case from January, we're gonna have the surveillance and the identity of the officer who was compared less than initially. So I was asking for a compliance second of that.
it's 114, so it's still relatively young. Tell
So
me,
Walmart theft, Judge, so,
aren't they usually pretty good about getting it to you?
usually they are. So I don't know what's going on. I can ask my admin about it. He's the one that usually pulls.
So let's do this.
But-
I'll roll it 2 weeks.
Okay.
Reach out to them, see what you can do. At that time, if it's not in by then, you'll be close to 150. At that point, I'll give you the compliance set.
Understood.
Yeah, okay. I want to be fair to them. At 114, it's not.
Well, yeah, but I think we're also dealing with retention, which is, I think, the bigger issues.
What do you mean?
Retention issues, whether Walmart's gonna keep that video or not.
Well, I get it, right. And at some point, we're going to hold their feet to the fire, but it's only 114 days old.
Understood, Judge.
I got to give them some time.
I'll give it.
Okay. Hey, lawyers, does anybody need anything? We're about to go on the record for a while. Anyone? Cynthia, I'm about to go on the record. Do you need anything? Are you good? Okay. All right, please do not talk. If you need to speak to anyone, please go outside. Do not use your phone. We're about to go on the record.
Do you want us to sit here, Judge, or we do it at the bench?
No, but come, just really. So I guess for purposes, we're not on the record yet. So just a brief roadmap. I'll announce the charges. You know, I'm gonna have counsel arrange, well, first I'm gonna see if you guys both waive on the record, jury. Once you both waive, at that point, let her know what she's charged with. I'll have you arraign, do your plea. At that point, you know, any kind of openings, both waive the openings. Then I'll ask you your witnesses, and then, okay?
Sounds good.
All right. We are on the record in cause number 2596019, State of Texas versus Adrena Taylor. Ms. Taylor, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. Today is May 12th, 2026. It's approximately 10:46 in the morning. Will you guys please announce yourselves for purposes of the record?
John Hyde with the state of Texas.
Anna Eady from the state.
Okay, ma'am. So like I said, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. Today we have set a bench trial for this cause. State, for purposes of the record, are you waiving a jury?
Yes, Judge, we're waiving our right to the jury trial and we're ready today.
And defense?
We are also waiving the right to a jury trial. We are announcing ready.
Got it. Okay. So both sides now having waived a jury, we will commence with a bench trial. Do you want to go ahead and arraign
Yes, sir.
this?
In the name and by authority of the state of Texas comes now the undersigned Assistant District Attorney of Harris County, Texas, on behalf of the state of Texas, and presents in and to the Harris County Criminal Court at Law number 5 of Harris County, Texas, that in Harris County, Texas, Adrena Taylor, hereafter styled the defendant, heretofore on or about December 6, 2025, did then and there unlawfully operate a motor vehicle in a public place while intoxicated against the peace and dignity of the state.
To which the defendant pleads.
Not guilty.
Okay. Each side, do you have an opening?
State waives its opening.
Defense?
Defense waves also.
Okay. Mr. Hyde, do you have any witnesses or anything?
No, state rests.
Okay.
At this time, the evidence are moving forward to the verdict. No evidence has been presented to overcome the presumption of innocence. We would ask the court to return the finding of not guilty.
Okay, I'm gonna do that and then I'll grant the directed verdict and I guess we're done.
Okay.
All right, thanks. Off the record. Yep. Okay,
And you're gonna sign your judgment.
you know.
Of
course.
course.
I need to get it and once they file the dismissal, I'll sign it. So yeah, obviously, when I get it, it's gonna take a little bit just to get it, so. What about the other case, the suspended license?
That will.
Sure. Okay, cool. So how long have we said this? Sure. Yeah. But tell her she still can't drive. Let her know, no driving. Okay, okay. So let her know that Veronica know that we're done with bond conditions of policy due to the eyes of concern, because that's over. The only thing she has open is that either be alive, so just know that.
That's something
that's
no they can check.
Yeah. it was-
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Thanks, Ramona.
I mean, if we're gonna go to police station. some point, or the environmental. Some other stuff. Drive the car.
I've never done
Inspection, drive and. Yeah, you're asking me personally, what it will take care of me. It's a certain, but what he does, so I can. Normally, it should be.
Yeah.
You only have a new drive today, because it's harsh. So I'm trying to say people are so free, just.
How about, I was saying, was.
If it includes the vehicle, that's not. Yeah. Really bad.
Yeah.
I mean, here, I think. Yeah.
We're gonna do that.
You're saying that. You're telling me, as a vehicle, it's. Salvage, it's just. Yeah, that was the case, you can show me, he's got a registered vehicle. That does not have some of the shop.
Okay, I just leave it at.
Gotcha. So she can just. There's something this in the front wall and then.
Okay.
And nobody would have offered, and I don't know that it's gonna be, all I mean. I don't know that that's talking about.
Like, for a building?
I still need to know this, so they're not, but it's still, but I think I'm really cool, but they just fell out this one.
Sure.
City. Unless you talk to the secretary.
One reason that you guys are kind of like this whole, we work upstairs to that center here and other times. I think. Also, I was just doing things like I'm trying to walk. I'm out.
Hey,
What's up? Not often you walk into the courtroom and see a direct verdict being granted. That was it.
on a bench trial, no less,
On a bench
right?
trial.
Yeah.
Watch the state just say no evidence. And then-
It doesn't happen many times in life, that's for sure.
Yeah, that kind of big story. DeAndre Thompson. We've worked out an agreement on the case.
What did you work out? PTI?
So, yeah,
Okay.
he's gotta either provide insurance of another vehicle that's not the salvage vehicle, or complete a driver's safety course and do 3 hours community service. Either one of those two.
So either get insurance or the other two? I mean, how much easier can it get?
Not much easier.
Right.
But, I need a little more than 2 weeks.
Why? Just to get insurance?
Well, honestly, Judge, you're still looking a little money.
Okay. How much time do
It's
you
not
want?
your problem.
How much time do you want? Fine, but that's it. That's the last setting. It's gotta be, yeah. Okay, I got you, for sure. So at that setting, he's gotta be here. He's either done or it's clear trial. Yeah, okay, for sure. Counsel.
Good morning.
Oh, you waiting for that? Yeah.
And this is the kid, look at the kid. Those are good.
Everything from. They're good.
Did you talk to Bill? She says he's waiting.
Who? I already talked to him. We're done. Yeah, they're gonna, he's gonna dismiss it.
I'm filing the dismissal right now.
Oh, wonderful. Yeah, they're dismissing it. So it's taken care of. Boy, what a heck of a mix-up, huh, Day? Oof. What a heck of a mix-up.
Well, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, all right. How do you easy to the car?
Where it's like the calmness, because the volumes are here on the side. This, we've got to go forward, when he went outside the car, they started flying, okay? And then he gets on the hood of the car, and he was already pushed her down, and now she's bleeding. So then, so he's like, you go to the hospital. He was trying to stop it. She has. When I was trying to stop bleeding, because she had fully got a CPS after our supervisor. But I felt okay. It's on the phone, CPS. There.
Okay, try to fix the file like this.
Not only did CPS was. Then.
Pressure down. He was not doing this. No one that happened.
We've got this under pocket, you know. So. You know, like guys. So.
I'll send her an email.
Just see the everything that was all the
Judge Fleischer, please.
Yeah.
So next year, no, it is. Yeah.
Thank you. Mr. Nucci, you're charged with driving while your license is suspended and invalid. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you've done. You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. It's very possible now DPS suspends your license again because of this. I wouldn't drive until you contact DPS to find out. Otherwise, you're going to be right back in here. You pick up another case, it's now a minimum of 30 days in jail. Do you understand? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, sir. Thanks, counsel.
You can do that if you get at the first floor.
Mr. White, ready?
Judge, Mr. Ronnie, she received a phone call yesterday from pretrial, and they're upset with her, and they wanted to come in and turn her GPS and her scram in, because it was a condition of her bond, which no longer exists here. So I don't want her to go turn it in unless you're okay with her turning it in. If they don't want her to have it when she goes to the jail on June 1st to do her attendance. I know that.
Yeah, I'm not going to turn it in 2 weeks before, though.
Okay,
No
so
way.
what's the mechanism for us
So
to
the
continue?
day before or the day of when she goes in, she has up until 6 p.m. She's got to go turn it in the morning.
Okay, so, but in the interim, I think the pretrial was paying for those devices.
Okay.
So do we need to change her conditions of probation to include that? And then now she has to go pay for the devices and get new devices, because she may have to turn these in and then go get them on her own.
Why?
Because it's
I
the county.
haven't stopped paying for it. I don't understand what you're saying.
She's getting a call from pretrial saying, get your butt down here and turn this stuff in.
I've not ordered her to turn it up, to undo it.
So when her case got dismissed, then pretrial, supervising those conditions when she tracked it over to probation.
So now she's just probation, so she's no longer pretrial. So pretrial's like, you don't have
Oh,
to
I
bond
see.
it.
Right.
So,
Yeah. She'll have to start paying for it. So we'll remove these. Once she gets the other one in place, though, she'll have to do that.
she has to go get them.
Yeah.
It's 2 weeks.
Yeah, she's got a felony DWI. She's got on probation for DWI. I'm not gonna hope and wish and pray, Mr. White. I don't care. I'm not gonna hope and wish and pray she doesn't drink, especially knowing that she's going to jail for a week.
Okay.
Switch to self-pay.
Okay, if it's easy as that, I have no problem with it, Judge. I just don't want her to have to go turn these in, then go get new devices. And obviously, I'm assuming the court does not want her to get the new devices until turn the old ones in until she's got the new ones. I don't want there to be like a 3-day gap. Okay. If she can just switch to self-pay, I'll talk to you about that. That way I don't have to. Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good. This poor guy, every time I come up here, I'm talking about the same thing. The case isn't even hearing yet. Sean.
Hey, he just sits there, man.
I know, he just. Oh, look. So. Okay. Yeah, okay, all right. Thank you. It's a good move. Yeah.
Hey, man, what's up? Good to see you, man.
Good seeing you too.
The man of the hour. The man of the hour.
No, you know, trying to do what I gotta do. You're the man of the hour all the time. I hear about you all the time.
It's not me.
Everybody loves.
Wait, what happened with Andrade?
So, I don't know why they kicked me off, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm trying to make sure Martin was taken care of. I mean, so I'm dealing.
Right. Okay, I know what you're talking about. All right.
Yeah. You say yes, he's in the back. Bob, the back. Or he's in the back. He didn't even know this board. He thought, oh, some bullshit. Okay, that doesn't tell me anything. Oh, no, that's for easy. That was fine. It's what it is. Okay. Thank you.
Actually, the tastiest thing I had. But I spoiled it and let it get off that. So. I don't know why, there was like this, like restaurant.
Hi.
Can I approach just for an informal question?
Sure.
So on Martinez, this was a fugitive case from yesterday, to keep on the jurisdictions in Wisconsin. Tim confirmed that they do want it. I haven't discussed anything with client yet, so I wanted to ask you first. In the event that you set up bond that we can't, before you set a bond at all, could you tell me what amount you would be considering so that we can?
Oh, well, this is the guy that has multiple, it's gonna be really high.
I was gonna say, cause I'm still at 9. I understand the theft is.
Yeah, I get, but the problem is that he just doesn't, I'm gonna get him to surrender a passport.
Okay.
And then it's probably gonna be at
Cause
least.
yesterday was no bond, Judge, that's what she said.
Right, I mean, I wasn't considering any bond yesterday, but I mean, if you're really that 10,000 plus at least, yeah.
Okay, this is gonna, just wanna make sure, I'm not requesting it yet.
Yeah,
Just make sure,
at a
right.
minimum.
Okay.
I also was surprised. It's like, this is relatively low. That's like, nope, it's a felony. We're gonna condemn it. All right, well, okay.
Okay, all right, thank you, Judge, I'll be back.
Okay.
Are you with this gentleman right there? Are you with this gentleman right there? Hey, man, this is not the club, man.
It was unusually good. But no, I spent like a good, like 8 hours sleep.
Are they together?
I was also, yeah, I was Scooby, some of the other people, fellows thinking tonight.
Oh, cause
You daylights. I'm shepherd. You ever miss it? Yeah, but I don't miss it. No, but I'm waiting an hour for just all, I got the last, I left, I got 89, 50 hours. What year? Did you have? 24. 2014? Yeah. Good stuff. But I did miss it. You ever thought about what's in the here? No, that is different. Yeah, but you could at least inspire the dishes and then. Yeah. I mean, I got to love out, put the menu in a very uncomfortable way. And I get these things like there's something starting to get you moving awful and I sell a business. Hey, it's just a different.
Right. Hey, Bell, if you need help. I'll show up. Okay. My wife from LA is weekend. Fortunately, it's all person. But I was in service industry up to all the gigs. So. Yeah. I used to work in a fresh market. They always had some issues, deals. That's, I mean, that's where I learned to go. There's always like, it's pretty butcher. So I cut me out of the restaurant. This has been real handy. I'm really good for that. We're realized it's like now staying. But positive. Yeah. I tried my into the brisket. Months ago. Barely fit. And I also, I trimmed off the sides, square it off, and grind that for hamburgers. Really good brisket burger.
Hey, do you want to go to the list?
Oh.
No, yes, maybe. Hi.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, come on up. Hey.
What's up here, another off topic matter?
Sure.
Susanna Saldana.
Okay.
It was about a bond condition situation. You imposed a curfew on her.
Yep.
And you put a ankle monitor on her.
Yep.
Because of her behavior.
Yep.
You told me to come back when she had a schedule so we could modify her.
Well, she's saying, yeah, I gotta work at night yet.
Right. She works from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay.
And just here's her schedule. She works for the Energy Towers. They do housekeeping.
Okay.
And so she gets off at 10 p.m., goes home.
Great.
So we're asking for the curfew to be modified to 12 midnight.
Why
8
from
a.m.
10 to 12 though? It doesn't take her 2 hours to get home, does it?
Well, she works from 5 to 10 and she says
I
that she
get it.
has to ride the bus home. And by the time she gets home.
Buses
about
don't go at
12.
10 p.m., do they?
Yeah.
Show me, I'd like to know where she lives because I'm happy to give her the schedule, but a 2 hour all the way home, that sounds kind of a little unbelievable.
I agree.
I mean,
But-
I ride the park and ride and I live out in Fort Bend, so for me, it takes an hour and a half. So it's not too far out. I don't know where this person lives, but if it's on the extremes, it's not.
Well, I mean,
I'm
just,
just going to look on the portal and find out where
Just
her
find out.
address is. Yes, sir.
well, no. Ask her what the address is, because a lot of times this is different than,
Gotcha.
yeah.
She just texted me this morning. I'm gonna text her now.
Yeah.
I'll stand down.
Thanks. Michael,
First, we're talking to stop talking to Mr. McKnight.
okay,
I've got the scram, he's had a bad rash, it went to his arms too. He's on steroids, he's surgery on her.
so have him, he can put it on the other one, on the other ankle?
I
What's your cause number?
Right now, it is 261
Okay.
8828. Once it looks like on her.
No, I don't know. I don't want to look at his leg.
It's really bad.
Wait. I have someone else as a hired lawyer.
Brandon, no?
No.
No, wrong.
261-8828.
Yeah.
I have
Oh,
some,
no, it's not wrong.
you know who he's talking about? Do you have it?
I do it.
But is it his or someone else?
No,
Right.
it's
So he's got a different
It's
McKnight.
261
Okay,
5546. It's 99.
that's it.
261.
Yeah, the reason is because he's on his third DWI in about
Yes.
2 years.
He's got a back.
Great. So we'll put it on the other leg. I'm happy to put it on the other leg, but I'm not taking it off.
Okay. let's
He's
try that.
3 DWIs in 2 years. It's,
We'll try that other leg.
put it on the other leg.
But the rash is going to his hands too, so I don't know.
Then that's got to be something different. If you have a rash on your leg and then now it's going to your arms, probably need to see a doctor.
He did get hit. They're not steroids.
Okay.
It was worse than 2 days ago. It's better now.
Great, that's what steroids do, but I'm not, he's got way too many to do, he has to take it off. I'm not gonna, but put it on the other leg. I'm happy to do that. Thanks, Mike. Hey, hi, Adam. Okay.
Except they locked.
Okay, is she here? Okay. Ms. Hill, come up. Go around, please. So this is a first setting.
Yes. She was supposed to be out of county, mutuality.
I was wondering why. Okay. So the cases in Jefferson County, are they now over with or are they still open? Do you know? Okay. So Ms. Hill, you're charged with possession.
The judge, they are open with the Jefferson County case.
They are still open?
Or no, they're closed.
Oh, closed. Okay. You are charged with possession of a criminal instrument, specifically a magnetic detacher. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Okay.
On March 28th in Harris County, officer working an extra job at the Galleria Mall was notified by mall security of a shoplifting incident at Spencer's. The defendant was detained and a search revealed a silver-colored metal magnet apparatus inside the defendant's purse that the officer believed was used to demagnetize security sensors from merchandise. Officer also found several merchandise items on the defendant's person and in her purse.
Got it. Okay, Ms. Hill, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to be in possession of any more criminal instruments and not to go to the Houston Galleria. If you violate these conditions, I will put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand? This is not a revolving door. If I have to put you in jail or you pick up a new case, I'm just going to revoke and erase and I'll just keep doing it and doing it over and over. I will protect my community at all costs. Do you understand? We have given you a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with him. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you because you're ducking and dodging, then likewise, a warrant will issue. For now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria. Will have you sign a reset. I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. Please. And then those. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Adam. Hi, Neil. What's up, man?
Hopefully fairly quick, it's off docket.
What's your cause number?
His number is 260-9171, and it's as it relates to pretrial bond conditions. Mr. Saldana. He has been given a job opportunity in Michigan. And so we're asking the court to modify bond conditions to allow him to travel/move out of state. B, if this variance is going to be limited to potentially Zoom until we close the pretrial conference.
So where are we headed with this case anyways? Let me
Probably
keep.
trial unless it's able to dismiss. He's not, it's one of those.
I get it, but I mean, he can't just indefinitely go because he's got bond conditions, right? We need to keep up with him somehow.
Or if he has a restriction to remain within Harris County.
Okay, I'll take that restriction off, but he has to stay in contact with you, obviously.
He has been. That's how I know it's on the trial.
Nice.
And
Well, okay, great. And that's all we ask for, stay in contact.
I can say that there's not gonna be a lack of contact.
Well, Neil, but you got to apprise him though. If I find that he picks up a new case, I'm going to put a warrant on him and I don't care where he is, what he's doing. If he picks up a new case, if he violates conditions, and at some point we'll have to put that to bed. He'll have to be here. We don't do remote appearances. At some point, he's going to have to come back and we'll have to take care of it. So
Sure. And I'm just always worth, I think the complaint has moved to Illinois, actually, maybe. Just for the sake of the community aspect, just letting Your Honor, to say no, that I think the plan might be the last.
Well, yeah, that's between you guys. I don't
Should get in
care.
Illinois or a little bit closer than Texas and Illinois, but.
Okay. Yeah, so we'll waive the appearance for the case is only
It's very.
2 months old, right? So we'll give you quite a few settings, but nearing about the 150-day mark at that point, we're gonna have to set it or, yeah.
If you can plan coming for a pre-trial conference if we get to that point.
Got it.
All right.
Okay, thanks, Neil.
Should you want to come in and sign?
No, wait a minute.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, for sure. Bye, Neil. Hey.
Hey, Judge, I am approaching on a motion to return property that should be in your queue on, I'll say Maso Barbara. It's a fugitive case. The state has filed an ollie on it. He was able to take care of those.
Is this the
Yes, it's
passport?
passport,
Yeah, for sure. I'll sign.
Perfect.
Yep.
Thanks, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Gerald.
Judge, Ms. Saldana lives at 3909 Cedar Hill, which according to MapQuest is 59 and Hopper Road, north side of downtown.
Okay.
NRG towers are located downtown here, 1301 McKinney.
It shouldn't take 2 hours to get home, though.
According to MapQuest, it does, 1 hour and 45 minutes.
What?
By Metro, the number 6 Jensen bus.
Does that?
So when I put it in Google Maps to map out the route from the interview to her address, it does say that she's an hour and 45 minutes on the 6 bus.
Does she have a GPS she has a GPS monitor on, correct? Okay, so let her know that we're gonna know exactly where she is at all times. The only thing she's allowed to do is work and go back home. She cannot go to Dairy Queen. She cannot go to Wendy's. She cannot go to get gas. She cannot do this, that. She goes to the bus stop and gets her butt home. Must be home by at least, at a minimum, midnight. If she's 1 minute off, I'm gonna throw her in jail and let her know. Okay? All right?
Will do.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. So this is only for the days that she's working. On any other day, it's the normal conditions. So only the 5 days she's working, she gets to stay at that length. Okay, so she'll have to provide a weekly or monthly schedule so we know what her.
Gotcha. I got a 2-week schedule here.
Great. Okay.
She is,
Waive it.
well, she's required to report to our office today, so she needs to be selected.
Is she reporting for what?
She was selected for random drug.
Then, yeah, she's got to go.
And she knows that, just talking to her, she knows that, she's on her way
Good.
down here now.
Okay, great. All right.
Fantastic. Thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank
Anna.
you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mayor, so he's the judgment. Sorry, just if you give. us
Oh, here we go. Okay, yeah, there it is.
The free trial needs it.
I got it. I got it. I'm setting it right now.
Somebody wants a glass of milk.
You done? Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks.
Yeah, you know, I love your presence, but it's not usually this long. What I want to be. Yeah, and I do. For any of your defendants against.
There is one of those out, but you can't talk about it. For a lot of things, a lot of patients, a lot of bills.
Oh, yeah. That's the way from the bill, because you've got long. We don't have a condition with that.
Number 5.
Miss Hill?
We don't have a condition. That's all I do with the line. Thank you. Fusion team. Yeah, I guess. Thanks again, Dave.
Take care.
Yes, I mean, also, it's a DWI, we're gonna pay for extradition.
It's good to see you. Young, hard-looking young ladies here, Judge.
I know, that's right.
Smile on their face. No, always hard working. There's that part.
Kitchen for the bill.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Bit of each one.
I'm hoping that will expedite some stuff. No, about the records. Not very civil.
Oh, yes.
You just posted, you just didn't.
So here.
Yeah, for sure.
Right.
All right, good morning, Mr. Valdez. Sir, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you a 6-month deferred adjudication. This is a type of probation. If you complete successfully, there's no conviction on your record, but you give up so many important rights entering into this agreement. If you violate this agreement, you were looking at 180 days in jail. You understand? You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. You understand? As part of this agreement, you will do an anti-theft class, 6 hours of community service, no drugs, no alcohol. You will be tested. If I find that you're using, then you will go to jail. I'll have to issue a warrant. I'm going to put you in jail. We will have a hearing to determine if you violated. Do you understand? How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm not going to find you guilty. I'm going to withhold that for 6 months. Where is this from?
Walmart.
Okay, while you're on probation, no going to any Walmart. You understand? All right, sir. Good luck. We'll have you see Shatori. Thanks. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Ray.
Successfully reach everything like that.
Sure. Yeah. Got to get everything done. Yeah. Okay. Done already? Done already?
The trial yet came.
And how'd it go?
Pled mid-trial. But
Really?
I did take a witness and got
Need
a
a credit for.
There you go.
Yeah.
Good job.
Look at you, you're gonna be showing the justice.
Hey. What about bottom of 2?
They bonded out.
I see the.
Okay. Said top of 19?
Yes.
10,003.
Look it up. I don't.
So. Thanks for that. Are you the area trying to hurt? No, I was probably trying to. But I haven't heard it. It just helps.
Is that the last thing? That's it?
I think we are just wait.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Because, yeah, yes, so he's been minutes.
I'll do some good. I needed my. Sorry, I've got witnesses.
It's, what are they, secret?
I haven't heard it.
Yeah, but he off here.
Yeah, like the biggest agency. Yeah. That's about it. Tomorrow. Just let me around. Sure. Sure. Your guy is here. No, well, I'm on board, there's nothing to do.
Yeah, I mean, go. There's no reason for you to be here.
Yeah, never. So that is one part of that.
Don't matter. It's circumstances beyond your control, you know? Yeah, we're done.
Okay.
That's
So
it.
just whenever he gets picked up.
Whenever he gets picked up, he gets
then
picked
we'll
up.
come back.
Just hang tight, hang tight. We'll try it. Just
I'm gonna release.
release your witnesses. We can't just hold people in the hopes and wishes and praise that he shows up when at some point he'll get picked up and we'll deal with it at that time. Yeah.
Don't you dismiss this case. Don't you do it.
We're done. You good?
She's literally the holdover right now for the last one, like she's.
Oh, what is she, for a waiver or something?
I don't know yet. I don't know. It's literally the last one and she's literally in there. I too am not happy.